Here at the studio, we are enjoying a quiet evening. The rain is continuing to fall. By tomorrow, we should have sunny skies again. So, on the men's room, let's talk about tools. I just went out and bought a Craftsman Versa stack system, and it has a lot of space to store tools. Let's open up one of the chests and see what tools are inside. So as we just discussed, the Craftsman Versa stack system comes with 3 chests, all interlocking. It has wheels so you can move it around. It is very handy, and we want to thank John Smith for recommending this for our weekly segment on tools.
Let's play the tunes, man.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This KD2VLM, we will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the world of coal. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. At 10:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NORAD detected 25 nuclear missiles heading towards the United States. When the United States government attempted to alert citizens in these cities, hackers from North Korea infiltrated the emergency alert system and prevented messages from going out. The following cities have been destroyed by nuclear missiles: Denver, Colorado Springs, New York City, Los Angeles, Norfolk, San Diego, Pittsburgh, Washington, D.C., Detroit, Miami, Houston, Dallas, Austin, Las Vegas, Buffalo, Rochester, Philadelphia, Kansas City, St. Louis, Seattle, Topeka, Portland, Boston, Baltimore, and Atlanta. In addition to these attacks, the United States is currently being invaded by North Korean and Chinese troops. The United States government is asking all residents to shelter in place, while the military attempts to fend off the invasion. To shelter in place, take the following actions now. Lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and ventilation systems. If a nuclear attack warning is issued for your area, get to a fallout shelter immediately. Have a battery-powered radio to receive news and updates on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. North Korean troops have been spotted entering the city. All residents need to evacuate immediately. Repeating, North Korean troops have been spotted entering the city. All residents need to evacuate.